Hello and welcome to the session. This session focuses on learning outcome 4, understand how to close and review the success of a project. Have you ever wondered what it takes to successfully close a project? Understanding project closure is crucial for ensuring all objectives are met. This video will guide you through the essential steps and evaluations needed at the end of a project. Project closeout involves a formal evaluation of performance. It includes reviewing processes, outcomes, and gathering stakeholder feedback. Documenting learning points for future use is crucial. Assessing success factors and preparing a post-implementation report are key. Finally, sign off on deliverables and archive documentation. Arrange a closing meeting with the core team. Invite honest feedback on what worked and what didn't. Document the successes and mistakes for future reference. Projects are part of a continuum, so learn from each one. This meeting is a chance to reflect without pressure. Projects generate many documents that need approval. Ensure all documents are signed off by stakeholders. This includes closing contracts with partners and vendors. Address all outstanding payments to finalize costs. Legal proof of document conclusion is essential. Release your project team formally. This process frees them for new opportunities. Internal and external resources need to be released. Ensure all contracted resources are paid in full. Remember, holding on to resources can block other projects. Archive all project documents and notes. A well-organized archive prevents knowledge loss. Keep a paper trail for future reference. This is crucial for legal, HR, or successor use. Good documentation is a valuable asset for any organization. Celebrate the project's success with your team. Acknowledging hard work boosts morale. It creates loyalty and encourages future collaboration. Rewarding your team is an investment in future projects. Closure is about recognizing and appreciating achievements. Reviewing a project's success is crucial for learning. Consider both objective and subjective criteria. Assess scope, schedule, and budget. Evaluate team and customer satisfaction. Quality is also a key factor in success measurement. Analyze if the project met its intended scope. Check if milestones were achieved on time. Delays should be assessed for future improvement. Timely delivery is a major success indicator. The schedule reflects project efficiency. Evaluate if the project stayed within budget. Determine if it was over or under budget. Financial management is a critical success factor. Compare costs with the benefits achieved. Budget adherence shows effective resource management. Team satisfaction is often overlooked but vital. Gather insights from those involved in the project. Customer feedback is equally important. Ensure their needs were met and expectations exceeded. Satisfaction leads to stronger future collaborations. Quality should exceed expectations, not just meet them. Track quality throughout the project lifecycle. Make necessary adjustments for improvement. Quality assurance may continue post-delivery. It's a key component of project success. PERT charts help analyze project tasks and timelines. They estimate the minimum time needed for completion. Nodes represent events linked by task vectors. Dependent tasks follow a specific sequence. Parallel tasks occur simultaneously but independently. PERT charts visually represent project events. Arrows indicate the sequence of tasks. Dotted lines show dummy activities on different paths. Time estimates include optimistic, pessimistic, and expected durations. These help anticipate project timelines. A post-implementation review evaluates project outcomes. It checks if objectives were met and identifies lessons. PIR helps improve future projects and maximize benefits. It involves revisiting the project process for insights. Continuous improvement is the goal. Recognize the project's timeline as part of a larger process. Learn from past projects to avoid future mistakes. Ensure all benefits are realized and explore additional ones. Conduct the review shortly after project completion. This ensures fresh insights are captured. Perform a gap analysis during the review. Compare project results with original objectives. Ensure deliverables meet quality standards. Identify and address any gaps found. This analysis helps refine future project planning. Assess if end-user needs were met. Determine project sponsor satisfaction. Understand the effects on clients and end users. Address dissatisfaction to improve future projects. Stakeholder feedback is vital for comprehensive evaluation. Review the project's final costs and benefits. Compare operational and support costs with benefits. Ensure a sufficient return on investment. Identify ways to improve project returns. Cost-benefit analysis is crucial for future planning. Check if all expected benefits are achieved. Explore opportunities for further training and coaching. Consider changes that could add more value. Identify additional benefits that can be realized. Continuous development ensures long-term project success. Compile a report of the review's findings. Include lessons learned and corrective actions needed. Highlight insights for future project application. Determine if the project leads to future opportunities. Reporting ensures knowledge transfer and improvement. In conclusion, understanding how to close and review the success of a project is essential for ensuring accountability and continuous improvement. Project closure involves completing final deliverables, releasing resources, and formally documenting outcomes. Reviewing project success allows organizations to evaluate performance against objectives, identify lessons learned, and capture best practices for future projects. Understanding this process supports learning, improves project management effectiveness, and contributes to long-term organizational success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074-8436-1688.